Exceptional circumstances in Appendix FM immigration rules. In today's video update, we will talk about the exceptional circumstances in a spouse or partner visa application under Appendix FM. Please note that families, for example spouses, partners, and children who desire to make the UK their home, can apply for a UK family visa. British citizens or those who are already settled in the UK can bring their partners to the UK by sponsoring them and fulfilling other obligations of the visa. Appendix FM of the immigration rules permit a British national or the one settled in the UK to bring their spouse or partner to the UK. There are some entitlement and suitability obligations to be fulfilled for this. On the other hand, what if anyone is not able to fulfill the financial or other obligations of Appendix FM? The immigration rules consider such situations where, if exceptional circumstances are located, the leave to enter or remain is allowed even if the sponsor is not able to fulfill one or more obligations.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
Now let's begin the video and talk about the position of Home Office in the process of exceptional circumstances. When a sponsor is not able to fulfill financial or other obligations, but they still desire for leave to enter or remain granted, due to the reason that there are exceptional circumstances, the decision relies upon UK Home Office. This is upon the Home Office to choose if they feel allowing visa to the applicant is not against the good of the public of UK, and at the same time not providing visa will end in overly unsympathetic problems for the applicant and their partner or spouse in the UK. Generally, the applicant is required to demonstrate that refusal of leave to enter or remain by the UK Home Office would lead to a violation of the applicant's rights under Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, as refusal will result in unreasonably severe consequences for the applicant, their partner, child or another family member concerned. Now let's talk about satisfying the exceptional circumstances. It may appear easy to satisfy the exceptional circumstances rule, but sadly it is not so. Bizarre or problematic conditions are not counted as exceptional circumstances. You need to prove that if a visa is denied, it will be uneven to the genuine objective, and the individual or their family will face excessively unsympathetic penalties. What are the exemptions from the financial requirements? Generally, if you cannot fulfill minimum income obligation, but you are a recover of disability living allowance, severe disablement allowance, industry injury disablement benefit, attendance allowance, carers allowance etc. can demonstrate that they can keep their partner. But if you are not on any of these benefits, and you cannot fulfill minimum income obligations, you can request to have other sources of income taken into consideration. On the other hand, your situation will be processed only if you can confirm that there are exceptional circumstances, and this is a high bar. You will be required to prove that, if the visa application is denied, the applicant's human rights, sponsor or relevant child, would be harmed. Once again, proving this can be complex, and therefore you must seek advice from experts. You can also rely on regular income from other sources, or financial backings of funds, for example. A reliable guarantee of maintainable financial support to the applicant or their partner from a third party. Reliable potential earnings from sustainable employment or self-employment of the applicant or their partner, or any other reliable and dependable source of income or funds for the applicant or their partner, which is accessible to them at the date of application, or which will become obtainable to them during the period of limited leave applied for. You can also locate more details on Appendix FM SE of the immigration rules in the link mentioned in the comments section and description box. Lastly, let's talk about satisfying other requirements. If you are not able to fulfill some of the other obligations, For example, you cannot sit the English test for some reason, you can still apply quoting exceptional circumstances. To convince the Home Office in this type of application, you will be required to convince the Home Office that if the visa application is denied, it would result in unreasonably cruel outcomes for the applicant, the sponsor, or a relevant child. Yet again, to fulfill such exceptional circumstances, you must get in touch with an expert solicitor if you are thinking of applying under this route. Our video ends here. If you found this video update useful, then please comment below and share your thoughts with us. Thanks for watching.